In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion to-do list directly from Gmail in just 5 minutes. This quick setup automates your workflow by sending emails from Gmail straight into a Notion database as tasks or notes. So, let's dive right in. First off, ensure you're signed into your Zapier account. If you haven't used Zapier before, it's a tool that connects your favorite apps, automating repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build the integration. Once you're in, click on Create Zap. This is where we'll begin setting up our automation process, or as Zapier calls it, a zap. Next, we'll set up the trigger in Gmail. A trigger in Zapier is an event that starts your zap. For our purposes, the trigger will be a new labeled email in Gmail. So go ahead and choose Gmail as the trigger app. Once you're in, you'll need to select New Labeled Email as the trigger event. This means that every time you add a particular label to an email in Gmail, it will set off the chain of events you've configured in Zapier. To proceed, you'll need to connect your Gmail account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to allow authorization. Once this is done, choose the specific label that will trigger your zap. You might want to create a label like Notion or To Do directly in Gmail if you haven't already. After setting the label, it's important to test this trigger to ensure everything is working smoothly. Zapier should be able to find a recent email with the chosen label, confirming that your trigger is properly configured. With the trigger all set, it's time to configure the action in Notion. The action is what your zap will do once it's triggered. In this case, it will create a task in a Notion database. Start by selecting Notion as your action app. Depending on how you prefer to organize your Notion, select Create Database Item as the action event. This means that each triggered email will create a new item within a specific database in Notion. Next, connect your Notion account to Zapier. This step might require you to grant access to your Notion workspace and ensure Zapier has permission to interact with the specific database you want to use. You may also need to invite Zapier to your Notion workspace or the specific database page you want to update. As you set this up, you'll map the data from the Gmail trigger to the relevant fields in your Notion database. This step essentially defines how the email data will be structured in Notion, whether it's the subject line, date, or any other field you desire for your tasks. Before wrapping up, be sure to test this action step as well. Check that an item is successfully created in your Notion database as expected. Finally, give your zap a name. Something relevant and identifiable works best. After naming, make sure to turn the zap on. And that's it. Now, any email you label in Gmail, say Notion, will automatically find its way to your Notion database as a new task. This simple integration not only streamlines your to-do list management, but also keeps your workflow seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!